The realm of comfort furniture, particularly home theater seating, has largely devolved. A deluge of hollow promises, clad in cheap fabrics, engineered for planned obsolescence. What passes for luxury often buckles under the weight of true utility, designed more for showroom appeal than enduring service. This unit, however, posits a different trajectory. It emerges from a design philosophy that understands the rigors of use, not just display. A stark contrast to the disposable mass-market deluge. For the discerning professional, time is the ultimate currency. This isn't merely a place to rest. It is an investment in human capital. The underlying steel frame, capable of supporting an unwavering 330 pounds per seat, speaks to an industrial integrity rarely found. This translates directly into zero downtime from structural failure, a guarantee of longevity that minimizes replacement cycles. Then, consider the 8 vibration massage points strategically placed, paired with lumbar heating. This is not a gimmick. This is a physiological reset. A 5-minute cycle can significantly reduce the mental and physical drag of a demanding day, sharpening focus for the next critical task. The 90 to 150 degree manual recline function provides adaptability, from an upright, engaged posture for review to a nearly horizontal repose for deep contemplation. It caters to the varied demands of thought work. Furthermore, the integrated USB port, central coffee table, and twin side pockets eliminate the chaotic scramble for charging cables or misplaced documents. Every essential is within a single reach, fostering an uninterrupted flow of thought. And finally, the easy-to-clean engineered leatherette exterior ensures that the aesthetic of a high-performance environment is effortlessly maintained, projecting an image of meticulous professionalism. Your hands will find the synthetic hide to be resilient, yet with a subtle give, a texture that hints at its robust nature without feeling coarse. The armrests, a generous 7 inches wide, offer a firm, supportive perch, a reassuring anchor. The seating itself, with its segmented design, cradles the body with a dense, supportive embrace, a far cry from the shallow, springy emptiness of lesser units. The sheer mass, nearing 200 pounds in total configuration, grounds it, making it feel less like furniture and more like a permanent installation. The cup holders, sized at 3.5 inches in diameter, suggest a serious capacity for focused hydration. Now, for the discerning eye, there is a deliberate omission. The recline is entirely manual. For some, accustomed to the silent hum of an electric motor, this may seem a step back. But understand this, it is a high-performance trade-off. By foregoing complex, failure-prone electronic mechanisms, this unit prioritizes enduring mechanical reliability. It ensures that the core function, the support and repose, remains steadfast, unburdened by the potential pitfalls of intricate servo systems. It is a choice for integrity over fleeting convenience. A final consideration. As we approach 2026, components like these high-tensile steel alloys and the specialized long-life vibration motors are becoming increasingly scarce. The supply chain is tightening. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.